Performance evaluation. Price and design, 4.5 out of 5. For just $312, the Danby DDW621WDB offers a sleek and compact design perfect for those tight on space. It is less expensive than some competitors, such as HomeLab's HME010033N, which is priced at $339. To check the latest prices, click the links in the description. Its white exterior and stainless steel door give it a modern look that can easily fit into any kitchen aesthetic. Plus, its size makes it a breeze to fit under most cabinets, ensuring your kitchen remains clutter-free. Cleaning performance, 4.7 out of 5. This dishwasher doesn't just look good, it cleans well, too. With 6 diverse wash cycles ranging from intensive to soak, it's equipped to handle everything from your dirtiest pots to delicate glassware. The 2 spray arms and manual cleaning filter ensure that every dish is spotless. Drying performance, 4.6 out of 5. The Danby DDW621WDB uses residual heat drying, ensuring your dishes come out dry and ready to be put away. Plus, it rinses dishes with hot water at the end of the cycle, further aiding the drying process. Noise level, 4.8 out of 5. Are you worried about a noisy dishwasher interrupting your peace? For those who value quiet operation, the Danby, operating at 52 dB, is the winner. It is a bit quieter than most competitors, such as the SPT-SD2224DSB, which operates at 55 dB. That's some impressive quiet operation for you. Energy efficiency, 4.9 out of 5. Eco-lovers, rejoice! This dishwasher is Energy Star rated, consuming a modest 203 kilowatt-hours per year. Not only does it save the planet, but it also saves your wallet. Water usage, 4.4 out of 5. With a water consumption of 11.7 L or 3.1 gallons per cycle, it's efficient without compromising cleaning power. Plus, with various cycles, you can choose the one that best fits your needs, ensuring optimal water usage. Cycle time, 4.6 out of 5. Whether you're in a hurry or have time to spare, there's a cycle for you. From the rapid 20-minute glass cycle to the thorough 110-minute normal cycle, you're in control. Loading capacity, 4.5 out of 5. Though compact, this dishwasher can handle up to 6 place settings. The single rack can accommodate plates up to 10.5 inches, and the fold-down tines and cutlery basket make loading a breeze. Safety features, 4.2 out of 5. While it doesn't come with a child lock, its solid door design ensures that curious little hands stay safe. Always a plus for families. Reliability and durability, 4.7 out of 5. Danby's reputation shines through in this model. With a stainless steel interior and door, it's built to last. And with a 1-year warranty, you can rest easy knowing you're covered.